cakes, thousands of cupcakes. It's like Christmas on steroids this year. You know what I like that? I learned that it's around the holidays. It's the time we have to work the hardest. Everything has to come out. We have to make everything go smooth. How about a Merry Christmas? Merry Christmas. Let's go.
Oh my god.
We don't do any big special cakes because this time of the year, people want traditional classic Christmas goodies. So we make thousands of different kinds of Christmas cakes for our customers. We usually make 350 small layered cakes per week.
Oh my god, she's gonna like rip the carpet.
People really love our Christmas cakes, but this time of the year, all about the cookies. We make about 15,000 cookies. These cookies like everything. It's all about those. It's crazy the amount of ingredients we use Christmas week. We get about 4 times the amount of flour and sugar delivered to the bakery.
Oh my god.